Good morning student. Again I am here for your lectures. Now in this class we are going forward in the worksheet number 2. In previous lecture we have underlined or understood about the common noun. In this lecture we are studying more about proper noun. Okay. So in your textbook page number 7 a picture is given here. I am reading that picture description. You also read with me. Okay. Try it at least. As you can see, there are two boys in a picture. What they are doing? They are just talking to each other. Conversation is going between both of them. Okay. We can say two boys are talking to each other. What are they doing? They are talking. As you can see in the picture, they are moving their hands and lips and all that. It's a little bit moving. So we can say they are talking with each other. They belong or they live in the same city. Both are belonging or living in the same city. As you and your friends are living in the same city or in the same locality, same as both the boys belong to the same city. We can say also that Jatin and Rohit are talking to each other. They live in Delhi. Now in the second sentence, the name is given to both the boys. One boy is given the name Rohit and the second boy is given the name Jatin. Okay. They both are talking to each other. And what is saying in the next sentence? They live in Delhi. Which city they are belonging? They are belonging to the Delhi. Understood? Now in the first sentence, boy is a common noun and no name has been given to the boys. But in the second sentence, we have given the name. First boy is given the name Rohit and the second boy is given the name Jatin. So these are proper noun because they are given some special name. We can identify by their name. We can't identify that boy, this boy. We are given them the special name Rohit and Jatin. And in the next sentence, same thing is happening when we are saying they live in the same city. But in the next sentence, the city has been mentioned here. Okay, Delhi. Which city they are belonging? They are belonging to city Delhi. So we can say they live in city, they live in Delhi. Both these things, Rohit, Jatin, Delhi, these things are called proper noun because we are given them some special name, particular name, proper name we are calling it. Understood? Now moving toward the exercise, in page number 8 we are having some exercise. So do that exercise. Come on with me. Page number 8. Come on, open your page number 8. In page number 8, what is written here? Some special names are hidden in the grid given. Circle them with the help of clue given below. You have to circle. Grid has been given to you. Box and puzzle like section is given in your grid. So you have to do that portion. I am writing it in here blackboard and do it in your textbook and send it to me. I will not find it out in your grid. You have to find it out in the grid. Understood? So first one, the capital of our country. What is the capital of our country? I think all should know that, isn't it? The capital of our country. What is the capital of our country? Yes, Delhi. Delhi is the capital of our country. Second one, the first day of the week. Which is the first day of the week? When we are starting to read out the week, what we say the first one? Anyone? Yes, Sunday. What is the first day of our week? Sunday. The first day of our week is Sunday. Next one, the first month of the year. The first month of the year is when you all wish to each other Happy New Year. Which is the month? January. Very good. January is the first month of our year. Next one, our national animal. Which is our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. Tiger. A river name Ganga. Ganga is our holy river, isn't it? Sixth one, a festival. Festival name is given in your grade. We have to identify which festival. Holi is given there. Okay. Seventh one, a religious book. The name of a book. Religious book is Gita. We can say Gita. Gita is the name of our religious book. Gita, Ramayana, all these things are religious book. 6, 7 here and one more I am writing here only. Okay. Eighth one, the month